Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unlock Note on Macbook Note. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Apple Notes is a great note-taking app developed by Apple for Mac, iPhone, and iPad. You can use notes on your Mac to jot down your random thoughts, keep a daily journal, or even organize your financial information. Some of your notes can be private and should be kept safe by prying eyes. On my previous video, I've shown you how to lock your notes. But now, what if you want to unlock your notes? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open our note. As you can see in here, this note is locked. If you want to unlock it, you can just enter the password first. So here you go. It's unlocked now. And if you want to completely remove the lock, you can just click on here on the lock icon. There's an option remove lock. Sorry. There is an option remove lock. You can just click on that. So now you have removed that lock from your notes. Now let's reopen the note and you can see the password, the lock is removed from your MacBook Notes. It's very simple, right? So that is how to unlock notes on MacBook Notes. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.